Have you ever wondered that if a hole were drilled straight through the earth, where would it come out on the other side? Let's say if science had such technology, and we drilled a hole in India or Pakistan so deep that it went straight through to the other side of the earth, you would be surprised to know that the hole would emerge from the ocean near Mexico and Argentina. This total distance is approximately 12,740 kilometers. Welcome back to Dark Venture Videos, viewers. How deep can we go? Most of us must have wondered at some point that if humans can reach Mars, which is 550 million kilometers away, why can't we drill a hole only 12,740 kilometers long into the Earth? In this video today, you will learn how deep humans have been able to drill into the Earth with the help of modern technology. What is it in the depths of the Earth that weakens even the largest drilling rig? Starting from the Earth's surface, graves are normally dug up to a depth of 6 feet. Going further down, at a depth of 13 feet, the 3,000-year-old mummy of King Tutankhamun of Egypt and his treasure were found, about which you can also watch a ZAM TV video. Going further down, a depth of 20 feet is the point up to which metal detectors can detect metals in the ground. Even deeper, up to a depth of 40 feet, the Nile crocodile can dig its burrow. This is the deepest burrow made by any animal. Going a little further down, at a depth of 65 feet, the Paris catacombs are located beneath the city of Paris, France. Here, 6 million people were buried several centuries ago. People also call this place the door to hell, and entering it is considered illegal. Amazing underground structures. The world's deepest swimming pool was built at a deep dive, and astonishingly, it contains a total of 15 million liters of water. A depth of 328 feet inside the Earth is the point where nuclear waste is buried. Going just a little further down, at a depth of 346 feet, the world's deepest metro station is built. This metro station is located in the city of Kiev, Ukraine, and it is so deep that multiple elevators have to be used to reach it. At a depth of 400 feet, we reach the point where tree roots can go. Such a long root has been seen on a fig tree in South Africa. Even below this point, at a depth of 720 feet, the bottom of the world's deepest river is found. This river is also in Africa and is known as the Congo River. Astonishingly, humans have gone even deeper into the Earth. At a depth of 790 feet, the world's deepest train tunnel exists. This tunnel is known as the Seikan Tunnel in Japan, which connects 2 islands of Japan. This tunnel was built even below the bottom of the ocean here. But even below this, at a depth of 940 feet, the world's deepest road tunnel was located in Norway. However, its record was broken in 2019. Yes, just 18 feet below this tunnel, the Ryfast Tunnel was built in Rogaland, which is currently at a depth of 958 feet below the ground. Deeper and deeper. Going further down, even if someone hides 1,000 feet below the ground, they cannot escape a nuclear missile. The B-82 nuclear warhead is a nuclear missile that, if it hits somewhere, has the ability to destroy structures up to 1,000 feet deep. Astonishingly, even below this, a depth of 1,286 feet is the point where the world's deepest water well exists, and this well was dug by hand. This well is located outside a hospital in Woodingdean, England, which was dug over 4 years, from 1858 to 1862, and water was drawn from here for patients. At a depth of 1,980 feet, the world's deepest vertical cave shaft exists. This is the interior view of a cave located in Slovenia. If, unfortunately, someone falls into this vertical shaft, it would be like jumping from China's Shanghai Tower. Even below this, a depth of 2,300 feet is the point where 33 Chilean miners were trapped for 69 days without food or water. You can also watch a ZAM TV video about how these miners were rescued from the depths of the Earth. Human endeavors in the Earth's crust. 3,180 feet below the earth, a man-made hole exists from which the open sky can also be seen. This place is called Bingham Canyon Mine, which is so deep that the world's tallest building could fit inside it, and there would still be plenty of space left. The human race to go inside the earth has also broken this record. At 5,387 feet below, the bottom of the world's deepest lake is found. This lake is known as Lake Baikal in Russia. Below this, at a depth of 6,000 feet, the bottom of the Grand Canyon is found. But humans have gone even deeper into the earth. Yes, in Sudbury City, Canada, the world's deepest musical concert took place at a depth of 6,213 feet. This concert was performed by the Shaft Bottom Boys in the Creighton Mine on March 7, 2020. The world's deepest cave is much deeper than this. This cave, 7,200 feet deep, is located in Georgia. But the surprising thing is that humans have managed to go even deeper. At a depth of 10,300 feet, the bottom of the Moab Khotsong mine shaft is found in Africa. To reach its bottom, a lift is used, and this lift takes a full 42 minutes to reach the bottom of the mine. This depth is so great that if someone falls into it, they will remain in the air for a full 25 seconds before hitting the bottom. Limits of drilling. Going a little further down, at a depth of 13,120 feet, the world's deepest gold mine is located. This gold mine is also in Africa, and it takes miners a full hour to enter it, and the temperature at the bottom of this mine is 66 degrees Celsius. Much further down from this point, a depth of 29,000 feet is as high as Mount Everest, and a depth of 38,000 feet is as high as a commercial airline flies. But you won't believe it, humans have drilled even deeper into the earth. Yes, 42,300 feet below, the deepest man-made hole exists, known as the Kola Superdeep Borehole. This 23-centimeter wide hole was drilled by Russia in 1979, and their mission was to drill to the center of the earth. But after 9 years of continuous drilling, a point came when the temperature below reached 180 degrees Celsius, due to which the drilling equipment became so hot that it was no longer possible to drill further down. If a ball is thrown into this hole, it will take a full 50 seconds to reach the bottom. But astonishingly, humans have even broken this record of their own making. In 2008, an oil company in Qatar drilled a 43,180 feet deep hole, breaking all world records. This is the Al Shaheen oil field, and this is the point where the deepest hole has been drilled into the earth, and this record has not been broken by anyone yet. If its depth is estimated, this distance would be as much as we can see the ground from this point in the sky. Viewers, the Earth's core, or the center of the Earth, is approximately 6,371 kilometers below. And so far, we humans have only drilled 12 kilometers into the Earth. That is, suppose if Dubai is the Earth's surface, then Korea, 6,371 kilometers away, is the center of the Earth, and we humans have only drilled as deep as you can see. I hope you thoroughly liked and shared this dark venture video. Thank you so much for your loving comments. See you in the next amazing video.